we're gonna be doing a little mini vlog, as you can tell by the title. We're gonna be doing a little vlog or whatever like that. I'm gonna be going to get my hair done later on at 6:30. It's about like 3 o'clock. So girl, I need to go wash out my car because it's just messy. It's not really messy, but the floor is just dirty and I just don't like looking at that. So no. So I need to go do that, and I need to go get my eyebrows done, and then I'm gonna go pick up some pizza, go chill at the house. But yeah, y'all, so I'm here at the place, the eyebrow place. I'm gonna get my eyebrows done first because this shit kind of hurt. Let me stop. But no, for real, I get them threaded, y'all. But I don't like getting them waxed because they leave bumps and stuff like that, so no ma'am. So I'd rather just get them threaded. It really don't hurt that bad, but when they do the under and they be okay, ooh child, like that's what be hurting. But anyway, I'm gonna give y'all just a little life update about what I've been going through and just what's been up with me and why I haven't been on YouTube. I just been working, y'all. I'm not gonna lie. I've been just trying to get me established and things like that, get me a car, a good car, and a freaking in a place for me to work out of and stuff like that. And that's really what I've just been doing, and legalizing myself and stuff like that. Just trying to get really my business together and making sure I'm keeping up with my clients and stuff like that. I done came out with new styles, y'all. Not really new styles, but yeah, I did new stuff. And so I just really been working on my business, guys. So if you are not following me, go follow me on my Instagram at Made Up Pretty, because yeah, that's what I do for a living, period. Anyway, but yes guys, and I really enjoy it. Like, I don't know, every time I just get to behind doing somebody hair or something like that, I don't know, I just be like, oh my god, this shit is so fun. Anyway, I'm finna hit this little blunt because baby, like I said, that stuff kind of hurts when they be let me turn this air off. But that stuff, okay, let me, yeah, turn the, who turned the air off? Let me, like, who turned the air off? Cause ma'am, you gotta turn the air off. If you smoking with me, turn the air off. Girl, do not do that. But we just gonna hit this a little bit. I was just supposed to hit this when I go wash my car. Anyway, but I'm back, and do y'all see my brows? What an amazing job she did. I ain't never had her before, but she did a really good job, and so I'm gonna always ask for her, or I'm gonna just come when she come, because I be seeing her, but I ain't never got my eyebrows done by her. But she looked like she be taking her time when I see her. But I ain't never got my eyebrows done by her, and girl, this time I got my eyebrows done by her. One thing I can say on this one, she should have got it just a tad bit more, but it's okay because it matches this one. But I like my eyebrows, they look really good, because now I can do when I fill them in and stuff like that, they look good. Because that lady, she tried to play me. That one lady, I don't never want her ever again, because she really tried to play me the last time, like I ain't have good eyebrows. Like, I know my eyebrows be looking good when I get them threaded. Thank you. Like, I don't know, she just, I don't know if she knew, I don't know if she, you know what I'm saying, I don't know. But like, I literally, like, before this, I literally had got them done a week ago. They should have still been looking good. My sister, she was like, I didn't even notice you got your eyebrows done. Exactly, that's how bad she did them. Like, never again. When I see her, I'll wait for the next. No ma'am. But anyway, they look real good. I see something right there, but they look real good. Anyway, we finna go wash this car out, because no ma'am, we can't do that. We cannot do that. We cannot we cannot have a nasty car, a nasty vehicle. So let's go wash that out. So this is what my stuff is just looking like here. I didn't clean this side, so this side look good. You just gotta get all of this cleaned up. Y'all, this line was too long to be getting my car washed, because I got places to go. Yeah, so that line was too long. I'm finna go to the Domino's by my house, and it's a little wash thing, and I'm gonna just spray my car down, because hell no. Who finna wait that long? Got me messed up, bitch. So I lied. I just came over here because it looked like it was going pretty fast. It looked like it was going pretty fast. I had got out the line because I was all the way in the back. So now I'm halfway, so we're gonna see. So yeah, y'all, I'm on the way to get this head done. Okay, I'm so excited. So we finna go get this head done.
In 2 miles, take the exit to...
Okay, and we're back in better. Look at me, guys.
I'm not gonna let Eddie prevent me from having a good time.
Renee, I think we have a special presentation.
Okay. Okay. I need it.
Maybe she'll come to the stage and get something for us. Wow.
We're walking out. Feeling like a bad bitch. Okay. We're leaving. So I'll talk to you in a minute. Hey guys, so I'm with my sister and I'm dropping her off at school right now. We just stopped to get us some little Sonic, some little French toast sticks, you know. Gotta eat, girl, gotta eat. Okay, so we got some little French toast sticks. Finna drop her off at school. We right down the street from her school, so yeah. I'm finna go to the hair store. I just wanted to continue this vlog because I just feel like I didn't get enough content yesterday. So we're gonna continue this vlog and just gonna make it great. Okay, we're gonna make it great. So let's go ahead. Anyway, the hair is laid. The hair is... I'm just so excited, y'all. My hair is looking real cute. Period. She's leaving me. Aww, sweetie, sweetie. All right, y'all. So I'm in Target. I'm in the travel section because I'm just gonna get me like some little deodorants and stuff like that to put in my purse and crap. So that's what I'm finna do. Get me some little stuff. They didn't even have the deodorant I like, so I'm gonna have to bring a big deodorant because they only have... I can't use Dove. I gotta use Degree. So yeah. I just need like a little toothbrush and all of that stuff in. That's what I'm getting. So I'm gonna get this stuff in. Be out to y'all. Ooh, I'm gonna get this. Always need this. So they didn't have everything that I needed, so I'm gonna just get these 3 things and go to Dollar Tree. So yeah, that's where I'm gonna head next. It's probably Dollar Tree and get the rest of my things that I need. Well, not Dollar Tree. It's this little store called the 99 cent something. I don't know. So another Dollar Tree. Hello. And I'm just scanning my stuff. All right, y'all. But I'll talk to y'all later when I get to Dollar Tree. All right. So I'm here walking in. I'm gonna get me some, just a little dollar Dove soap. I hope that they have it for me to get. If they don't, I don't know what I'm gonna get. I think I'm gonna just get some, just a Dove. And that's all I'm getting from out of here. So if I see anything else, I'll just be grabbing it basically. So yeah. So update, they didn't have shit. They didn't have anything that I fucking needed. So yeah. I'm just gonna, I guess I'm gonna just have to get the shit at Walmart. I hope they have it at Walmart. I kind of want to go to Walmart now because I'm not gonna be doing all of this running around because they don't got this shit. Running around because they don't have what I need. And girl, it's only like 12, so I just wanted to be at the house by 1 o'clock. So hey y'all, I forgot to record while I was in Walmart, but I just had to deposit some money into my bank account and just do some other stuff. So I'm walking up out of here now, and I'm finna somebody gonna stole their bags, but I'm walking back to the car. I'm gonna go to the hair store and hurry up. So yeah, I'm at the hair store. Come in. Hi. Hi. This is what I came back for. Look at these lashes. They have all of these lashes, y'all. These are the ones that I really get. This brand, this is the one I get because they look like lash extensions now. Come on. But look at all these different variety of lashes they have, and it's endless. I like these ones too. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. These ones minks. But anyway, the eyelashes go from here all the way to here. So I'm gonna pick this, y'all. I'm just gonna pick me out some lashes. They have some cool hair stuff. I mean, some cool stuff over here too. Some little cool makeup and stuff like that. So I might get me a little lip color because I've been like into, here it is. This has been literally my favorite right here. I just pick out a lip color and make it work, honey. Because child, I like to have for these lips because, you know, I smoke, baby, so they need to be a little lighter than that. But we can pick me out some lashes. Let me show y'all my favorite ones. These are my favorite lashes. This brand right here. I normally get number 2s because they look real good. So I usually get number 2. But I kind of want to try some different ones because I keep getting these ones. Like, all right, bro, get something else. So I think I want to try some different ones this time. So we gonna pick and I'll come back. All right, y'all. So I just thought about it. I don't want to buy like 3 different packs of lashes for like $6. That's kind of overdoing it. So I'm gonna find me a little cute little 3-pack. I think I'm gonna get these ones. They're $7.99. I usually get these ones anyway for a nice like natural look. They're really cute. So I didn't use these ones a couple times. I don't remember what I had got, but y'all look at these ones. Like, this is why I said, y'all, these really look like minks. I don't know if y'all can see. Y'all see that fluffiness? Y'all see that fluffiness? Like, baby, that's what I need in my life. But I ain't gonna lie, these was kind of hard to put on the last time because I ain't know what I went on. So let's go back over here. Let's go back over here. But I think I'm gonna get this 3-pack. I think I'm gonna get the 3-pack and just call it a day. In one mink pair. Because I really like these ones. And I want some thick lashes too, yes. But these ones are just like cool, regular little lashes that I could just throw on. So, yeah. So I'm here, guys, with the nail place. Get my nails done. Here's Vicky. I'm so weird. But yeah, I'm finna get my nails done and I'll come back and show y'all the little process.
¿Trabajas mañana, ma? Yo pensé que hoy trabajabas.